Hello everyone, welcome back to my little jungle and on my white table. So anyway, good morning Texas. It's past 9 o'clock in the morning and I just woke up. As usual, no coffee yet, but I wanted to take an advantage with the sunlight because the tree is still blocking the sun, so it's not too hot yet right here on my repotting table. So we are going to repot my BLC Hawaiian Island Bride. So if you remember, this is one of the orchids that came from Hawaii, from Carmela's Orchids, and it shoots a new growth here last winter, but it didn't grow so much because because you know, I don't water my plant. Like I said, I don't water my plants so much whenever it's winter, so that's why. But I'm going to use these. This is a little bigger than the other one. This is actually 6 inches, I think. I think this is 6 inches or 7 inches hydroponic pot, and I want to use this because you know why, remember? I always say that in my past few videos. But anyway, this is the growth, and it's been trying to grow, and if you can see, there's a lot of new growth right here that's going. I normally don't peel this, but it's all right to peel because it's already easy to peel. See that? Yeah, I don't like peeling these sheets because it helps the plant. But whenever the plant, the sheets is easy to peel like this, it's alright because it will not hurt the plant anymore. But look, I have growth here, and I have another one here that's coming, and I have a node right here as well that's gonna grow. So but this one died. I think this is the mother of all of these canes. All of the soda bulb, whatever you want to call it, cane, soda bulb. So yes, this is what we are going to do. We are going to repot it, and let's just do it. Let's clean it first. Let's put that there. Oh, I need to put the camera lower so you can see that. But anyway, this is where I wanted to put my mess actually. Okay, so we are just going to massage it just usual. That's still usable. I can use it with other plants. Oh, the medium is so degraded already. Oh, I forgot to get my coconut fiber. It's alright, it's right next to me anyway. It's just so easy to get. So these roots are not valuable anymore. They use big chunks of bark chips. See that? Ooh, there's another one here. There's a bunch of growth right here. But this I think I'm going to trim this right here because right here, because look, this one doesn't have, I mean, this is already black and it's already dying. These two canes, they're all dying already. So let me just grab my scissor and trim it. And I am going to need my I forgot my my cinnamon powder. So BRB. Alright, I got my alright, I got my cinnamon powder. Yeah, I almost forgot to put back my microphone. It sounds more better whenever I have my microphone on me. And I'm just going to use my scissor and trim it right here. Actually, even this one is already affected. So, but yeah, maybe I'm just going to snip it right here, because this growth here is already affected. Oops, see, oh it's already affected right here. And the mama plant is also has a black rot. It already infected right there. So I'm just going to snip this. I'm not going to trim it. Right. I'm just going to snip this right here. Right here. So, because if I don't, see, that's how easy it is. If I don't, it will infect the other ones, the next bulb. So it's all right. Good thing I've decided to, ouch, it's so hard. I decided to, okay, that's good. Good thing I decided to repot this today, because if not, it will, the rot is going to even come over up here. So I only have 3 canes now. It's all right. I have plenty growth, new growth coming, so that's all right. Let's just trim this. I don't have my little pruner, so that's why I'm using this big one. This actually is a pruner for my scissor for my other plants. I have a pruner for my orchids. So there we go. Let's just clean this one because it looks ugly with the sheets. The sheets doesn't work anyway, so anymore anyway. So let's just take that off and give this mama a little good looking cane. So okay, so now this will grow nice and it will be a good plant. All right, now because it's so small, maybe I don't need this much. It's all right, I'm going to use that anyway. This grows so much, I mean easily, so it's all right. Okay, so we are going to got dirt all over my thing. I am going to put cinnamon right here on this wound. So I'm just gonna dip it like so. All right, so because we don't want to get infected. So we got that cinnamon there. So I'm not going to remove the sheets right here because it's still so tight on the soda bulb, so it's all right. When it's ready to peel off, it will just start to peeling off by itself, so I don't have to worry about it. This is the last cane that has a flower when I purchased it. Well, when it came with my purchase. So my coconut fiber, actually I need to rinse my scissor because this is what I use with it. Okay. All right, use the scissor. Ooh, I have this halfway here, but it's all right. I'm still going to. Yeah, there's a bunch of mosquitoes. That's why even if it's too hot, I'm still wearing my long sleeves. I still going to make another video repotting my other orchids, my dendrobium. So, but that's a different video. I would like to make a different video with it because I've already repotted most of my dendrobium orchids. I just wanted to repot one to show you how I do it, how I repot them. So that's all. That's why. So I'm still going to use these because right after I'm done with these repotting with these Cattleya, I'm going to jump and get the other one and record what I'm doing again. so this is yeah, I just forgot to prepare it early because like I said, I just woke up and I thought about, actually there's a lot, I've seen a lot of slug yesterday while I was checking the pots, so I thought about spraying I forgot the name of my spray, but it's a spray to kill those bugs. So I'm just gonna use this one. All right, so we have that there. Ay, too much. Ay, too much. Okay. Oops. So we have a lot of new growth coming up there, so we just wanted to do so. Okay, let's just get more here. Okay, good thing I prepared this. I'm just going to put this right here and just take it there. Okay, just wanted to hold it. Oh no! Okay. So we get that situated. It will grow nice now. Let's put food, little food. Alright, so we did we did it, and we got that planted right there. I wanted to put this right here together with it. I want to train it to grow like that. Okay. So that is my BLC Hawaiian Island Bride. It's already okay. I forgot to check where is the, because I'm going to situate this on my tree, I mean orchid tree, orchid tower. So this is where I'm going to put that. So I'm just going to put my name plate, my name tag right here. Alright, so this is my BLC Cattleya, and that's how we repot it. And we remove these, and I'm not sure, this one will go to my trash bin because there's no way for these to grow anymore because it's already dying. So I'm not gonna save it anymore because I don't want to infect my other plants. So that's all for today's repotting video of my Cattleya friends. Thank you so much for watching, and I always appreciate your support of me on my channel. Thank you so much everyone. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.